Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we have to find the value for this expression. So we can write this expression as 9 divided by 3 divided by 9 divided by 3. Then you know that according to PEMDAS rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis means the bracket part. So this is the bracket part. In bracket part, here 9 divided by 3 divided by 9 is there, means two division is there. So if more than one division is there, so you have to go from left to right, means first we'll solve this one. So let's solve this. So 9 divided by 3, when you divide this, so you will get here 3, then divide by 9. Then now solve this one. So this you can write it as 3 divided by 9 divided by 3. Now cancel this. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So 1 by 3 divide by 3. Here you know that KCF rule. What KCF rule says that KCF means keep, change, flip. In this, keep this fraction as it is, then change this sign. This division is there, to change into multiplication, then flip this fraction. So 1 by 3 multiplication, here 3 by 1 is there, so when you flip this, 1 by 3 will come. Then 1, 3 threes are 9. So 1 by 9 is the correct answer.